The Nordson SQ3000M2 inspection system is an advanced metrology solution designed to support microelectronics applications. The SQ-M2 can be configured with various sensor options dependent on the application and includes single and dual cameras. A secondary camera with FVM or focus variation metrology can also be added, plus a fringe projection sensor. The flexible sensor design provides the user with 2D, 2.5D and 3D inspection options to support most applications at line speed. SQ-M2 supports the inspection and measurement of key quality indicators such as contamination, excessive or insufficient underfill, wire bond height, position and quality, chip outs and cracks, and FOD measurement. The software also features AI-based learning models to minimize tuning and further support automatic setup of new products. The SQ-M2 software and user interface is based on Nordson's highly successful SQ3000 3D metrology systems and provides users with powerful and easy to navigate 3D visualization tools. The auto program options utilizes 3D data to identify components and automatically create recipes. This reduces typical new product setup times to minutes. The SQ-M2 is an excellent choice for microelectronic inspection and metrology requirements, featuring multiple sensor options and industry-leading process optimization tools. The system ensures products are manufactured to a high yield and is designed for the most demanding microelectronics applications.